Mhm. So, hello guys, this is Angie and kumusta kayo? How are you? Saan man kayo panig ng mundo? So, eto ako na naman na want, wanted to share with you my food vlog again today guys. So, we gonna do or making a uh, recipe for our or food meal for our breakfast. Okay, so let's get started and I show you all my ingredients inside this video guys. This is our ingredients today guys to make a meal for breakfast. So we have onion, carrots, salt, pepper, spring onion, cheese, and 2 eggs. So that's all. And yeah, you can see inside this video this recipe guys. So we need to grate the carrots guys. Wash and fill. After that, use a finer side of the box grater. But this one is not a box for me. This is my grate to grate this one. Grater to shred these carrots guys. And you can also do it in the food processor. But for one serving, it is faster to use manual grater. Right? This one medium carrot guys I grating here. Next guys, we do after peel the onion. This is a medium one piece and we need to dice this onion in finely. After that, set it aside first. So here now guys, let's start do the cooking. So this is a pan. It's not a stick frying pan. So inside we need to add the butter. I'm using butter, unsalted butter. So there you go. Next we add the diced onions. We keep stirring until the onion looks softened or cooked. Cook under medium heat for about 3 minutes or more. Then until translucent the onion. So we need to add the grated carrots. Here you go guys. So we can leave some later on, we can pour on top to make looks nice there. We keep stirring this carrot so until become softer or start browning. Meanwhile, in this one small bowl with 2 eggs. Then we add pinch of salt, pepper, a bit, and then water. So make got spiciness in there. and a bit water. We add water, 1 or 2 tablespoons. So it's time to pour these eggs gently. Stir gently and cover. Turn the heat to low and cook for 4 minutes or more, because this one is I'm cooking a small portion. Then later on can we pour some cheese on top on there. If not, if you cannot wait, so I take out the cover and I want to flip up, guys, to turn like this. There you go. Then just put it back. Whoa, see, just put it back. Just 2 minutes. I can say 2 minutes, then cook already. So this is now the egg carrots omelette, guys. So I pour some fresh grated carrots and diced spring onion, and some add a bit more black pepper extra. Then yeah, so let's get a try to taste this one, guys. Let's give a try. Wow, big thumbs up, guys. Wow, really nice. Fluffy. All the seasoning it blended. Yummy, guys. So this is my carrots egg omelette, guys. Yum. So there you go, guys. Wow, I'm sweaty, guys. Sorry, so hot here, guys. So that's my recipe today, guys. And carrot omelette is a high protein and balanced breakfast, and is already under 20 minutes, and such a bright nutritious meal. And this meal for breakfast is your breakfast rich vitamins and calcium and dietary fiber, guys. So really good meal or for your breakfast. And yeah, it's easy to make, guys. So let you try, guys, and try the taste. And just when you able to do, just write down on the comment section your reaction. And yeah, so I end my video here, and my recipe I just write down the things I'm used here, or all my ingredients, or the full recipe. Just check out the description box below, guys. So yeah, always be kind in life, and see you next time again, guys. Bye.